How to use the Erase feature on the digital whiteboard. In the toolbar, start by clicking on the eraser icon. Select your preferred size and erase by holding down the mouse button. To erase all annotations at once, you can click or tap Erase Notes. To erase everything on a slide, click or tap Erase Content. Since the software is designed for use on interactive flat panels, you can erase with your hand too. To enable this feature, click the ellipsis icon in the toolbar, and then on your name to get to your profile settings. Scroll down to App Preferences and toggle Erase with Fist. Follow the calibration steps and you're good to go.